Why does your scanner show the P0635 engine code? What does it mean? P0635 is a diagnostic trouble code for power steering control circuit. The P0635 engine code for Indicate Vehicle's Powertrain Control Module (PCM) detects that the voltage or signal from the power steering system is outside the manufacturer's expected operating range. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: weak battery or failing alternator, corroded or damaged wiring, bad ground connections, blown fuses or bad relays, faulty power steering control module (PSCM) or sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Volkswagen, BMW, Audi, Toyota, and Mitsubishi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.